Do you want to have a wealthy and quiet life? So you need to learn how to get lines of credit and invest your money intelligently. In this video, we'll talk about the Fast Credit Lines product that can help you achieve these goals. Where can we start? Having a wealthy and quiet life is the dream of many people. But, for that, you need to have money. And to have money, you need to know how to get lines of credit and invest your money intelligently. How to get lines of credit? There are several ways to get credit lines. One is to ask for a loan at the bank. Another is to make a credit card. It is also possible to apply for a personal loan or a special check. To get a line of credit, it is important to have a good credit history. This means paying your bills on time and not having overdue debts. How to invest money? There are many types of investments available. Some are safer, like savings. Others are riskier, like the stock exchange. The best type of investment for you depends on your investor profile. If you are conservative, you should choose safer investments. If you are bolder, you can choose riskier investments, but with greater potential for return. The Fast Credit Lines. Fast Credit Lines is a product that can help you get lines of credit and invest your money intelligently. With Fast Credit Lines, you can compare the best credit offers available in the market, get a loan with lower interest, invest your money in safe and profitable products. Conclusion. Fast Credit Lines is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your financial goals. If you want to have a wealthy and quiet life, be sure to visit Fast Credit Lines. Access the link I will be leaving in the description with a super special offer and learn more about how this product can help you.